In this video, I'll be going over how to divide whole number by fractions. The first step to doing so is to add 1 as the denominator. After you do that, it becomes fraction dividing by fraction. So you would change division to multiplication and then swap the numerator with the denominator of the second fraction. Now this may all seem confusing right now, but let's go over the 4 examples below, and I'm sure you will understand better after. So for the first example, we have 5 divided by 1/3. So we're going to do the first step, which is to add 1 as a denominator. Then we want to change division to multiplication. And lastly, we swap the second fraction, 1 and 3. So this will become 3 and 1. So if we were to rewrite this, we would have 5 over 1 times 3 over 1. And 5 times 3 is 15. 1 times 1 is 1. So we would have 15 as the answer. Now let's try the second example of 9 divided by 5 over 8. Adding the 1 in the denominator, change division to multiplication, swapping the second fraction, rewriting, nine times 8 is 72 over 5. And we can simplify this as it's an improper fraction. So 14 and 2/5. That would be the answer. Now for the third example, using the same steps, denominator of 1, change to multiplication, swapping second fraction, rewriting. Now here we can see that 6 and 3 can all be divisible by 3, and that will be simplified. 2 as the numerator and a 1 as the denominator here. And so 2 times 4 is 8, and 1 times 1 is 1, so the answer would be 8. Now for the fourth example, adding 1 as the denominator, change it to multiplication, and swapping, rewriting. Now 12 times 8 is 96, and then 7 on the bottom. And it's an improper fraction. If we divide 96 by 7, we will have 1, 3, and 5/7. So that would be 13 and 5/7. So these 4 are examples of how you would divide whole number by fractions. We also have other tutorials on fraction division. You can find them in the comment section of this video. Hopefully this is helpful to you, and thank you for watching.